In this video I'm going to show you Che Starter. Che Starter is an integration project that has been studied at the beginning of this sprint for integration between ALM platform and Che. So this project provides REST endpoints for managing Eclipse Che servers and workspaces. It is on GitHub as a public repository under Red Hat Developer Organization now. And I have it running locally. So as you can see, we use Swagger for documenting the API. So it provides a few endpoints. The first one, it doesn't yet working, but the API is defined. So it's for creating a new Che server on OpenShift instance. As parameters, it takes OpenShift master URL and authorization token. So for now, I run this Che Starter against the local Minishift instance here. So the next endpoint is for listing the available stacks. So if I push try it out button, it will return the array with all the available stacks. For instance, a Java default stack with JDK8, Maven, and Tomcat. And the last endpoints are workspace endpoints for workspace creation and listing the available workspaces. So as a parameter, it takes the master URL and authorization token, as well as the information about the project, such as GitHub repository, branch, and stack. So if I now push try it out button, I can see in the response body that a new workspace has been created, and I have a new pod here on my OpenShift instance. So if I now navigate to this URL, I can see that my workspace is starting. So we need to wait a few seconds before the workspace would be running and the project would be imported to my workspace, because project creation is a synchronous task. So we need to wait a little bit. So there are no projects yet. I need probably to refresh it. So now you can see that I have my chat application here imported to the workspace. And the last thing is the list workspace API. So by default, it takes the master URL and authorization token. So by default, it would return all available workspaces. So as you can see, I have two workspaces. First workspace and my test workspace both running. And if I now specify the repository, it will return only one workspace that has this project imported. So if I just post some non-existent repository, empty array will be returned. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Bye.